How it working, Lori? Just show you. This is the pedal. Just gotta do some cleanup. I think I'll keep this as a prototype and then build another one to once it's cleaned up. And these clamps are just temporary while I do the. Anyway, so you got your pedal, and I got Teflon clips to go to here. I just need a couple more T's. Anyways, I had all the parts except for your bottle, and it should be able to be pretty interchangeable for the bottle design too. Anyways, I'm all done the prototype now, just to refine it. Probably go through 3 prototypes before I'm done. Anyways, I'm pretty proud of the looks aren't good right now, but I've got a kind of a C clamp here, another C for the opposite reaction, and then kind of like a T that goes, and I'm using Teflon members to do the dynamic, the controls. You can see there's quite a bit of power. I was going to use ballast, but I thought we might as well just put it all in the spring and the pedal. It's a lot easier and less parts. It's going to be cleaner when I get it cleaned up, but anyways, it's working well, and pretty proud, and I'll give it more force. I'll make these members a little longer so it pushes way in, and it gives a good spray. And but anyways, based on your foot pedal too, the less spray, if you notice, I'm going go spray, and then you can come onto it, and it'll give you a long continuous spray. So testing that out. Anyways, pretty good.